Hey foodies! So today we'll be making torta. This torta cake recipe is popular pastry product in Cebu. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. This is similar to my one and it's lighter and fluffier, which I prefer. Let's prepare our mold by lightly greasing it with oil or water, then lining it with baking or parchment paper. I used a biodegradable liner, which was a bit tricky to fold, but I managed to make it work. So to make things easier, you can prepare the liner in advance, trace a pattern, and cut the sides to fit neatly. Once ready, place the liner into the mold. This recipe fits in 5 large molds, and I stack the layers so they stick together and stay in place. In a bowl, combine flour, baking powder, salt, star anise powder, and yeast all together. Sift and mix all together as well. Set aside. Prepare the egg yolks by separating them from the whites. You can save the egg whites for later use. There are many methods to separate these yolks without breaking them. But if one breaks, don't worry. You can always use it in another dish or dessert. Check out my other video where I use the egg whites to make coconut macaroons. In another bowl, beat butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the egg yolks, beat until pale yellow in color. condensed milk, and vanilla. Add both the dry and wet ingredients plus the milk, then add half of the raisins. And by the way, this is optional, but it makes a difference. I like it best with raisins. It adds sweetness and a fruity flavor and chewy texture. Fill 1/3 cup of each molder, and this recipe can make about 5 large pieces with a measurement of 3.5 by 5 inches molder or about 10 small ones. Bake in a preheated oven about 175 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes, or depending on the oven. Finish it off with a sprinkle of sugar on top with grated cheese, or simply as it is. Thank you for watching. Ayo ayo. See you in the next vlog.